Look at that. Just a beautiful shoe, guys. All right, guys, so we hear from the big boy in the group, our friends at Nike. Again, another product that really has been following me around the internet. And these were like an instant, I'm gonna buy these.
I am a fan of the Air Force One style. I'm not a big purple person, so again, I probably wouldn't buy these for myself. Nike Court Vision Midwinter, burgundy.
Yeah, beautiful.
Like a wine.
Yeah. When I saw this, it came in two colors. There was this color and like a beautiful yellow, like a maize color, and I opted on this.
It's nice to have like a darker color in the winter, so I think it's a good choice.
Classic silhouette.
How was the sole? Did you try this one on yet?
I think I did try it on if it's true to size. What do you think? What are your first thoughts of it?
I think this looks like it has good grip. It's probably the best one for winter so far, and it seems like that's the point.
Yep.
It's nice and thick over here. Looks like it probably has good ankle support, which is good, especially in the winter with snow.
What do you think of that? I'm just noticing this little trim piece, this lighter color.
Oh yeah. True. Yeah, I guess it gives it a little bit more, breaks it up a little bit. It's nice. I'm not a big purple person.
Yeah.
So again, I probably wouldn't buy these for myself. But if you like purple, I could see you loving this. And I have some friends that love purple.
Is burgundy or purple?
Well, I guess it depends what you think burgundy is. Some people see it as red. I always think this is purple. This looks red to you? Or like
maroonish, burgundy. I would lean more towards like a deep. Yeah, I guess it straddles red and purple. Yep. And that classic white sole, that non-marking sole, and a rather affordable, believe it or not. I think I paid $100 for these. I mean, it's not like the cheapest thing you'd ever buy, but when I saw them, I was like, oh, how much am I about to spend? Thanks, Peggy. So guys, I'm a product of the late 70s and 80s, but my peak purchasing time for athletic footwear or sneakers is probably in the 90s. And this company is the big boy, Nike. They really revolutionized the way we buy athletic footwear, let's just face it. And this shoe here really embodies many of the things I think about when I think about Nike. I think about Michael Jordan, the Air Force One, which this shoe kind of reminds me of. It's styled very similarly. This is the Court Vision Mid-Winter. And this beautiful, I'm gonna call it plum. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. This was an instant impulse purchase. Again, highly micro-targeted on Instagram and Facebook, on Google, doing a lot of advertising. And they've sold really, really well, really quickly. But they're beautiful. Look at this, guys. That stark, dark upper with that beautiful white, non-marking sole. Just classic. Again, look very fresh with a pair of jeans. And that's how I would rock these. Just a pair of jeans. Maybe some tech pants, but mostly jeans. You've got the mid top for a little bit of added ankle support and a little bit of show. You see I'm rocking it with the cuff because I'm wearing my pants a little baggy these days because I'm old. But beautiful. Look at that non-marking sole, guys. That crisp white sole. Now Peggy says she wouldn't necessarily buy these, but I bet you if I bought them for her, she'd rock them. All right, nice for the winter. 3 colors, I believe. A black, a gold, like maize, and this beautiful, what I call cranberry plum, whatever you want to say. Very, very nice. I don't know if you can see that. Supple leather, soft, very comfortable. Sized true. So I'm a 9.5, and these are comfortable right out of the box. You've got the boot-like eyelets here for extra support. Just a very, very nice, like I said, classic shoe that I will wear. I will wear these quite often to the office, kicking it around, out and about town. Just very, very nice, guys. Stylish. Makes me think of basketball, Michael Jordan, the whole Nike story, my youth, and fresh, because they are fresh. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, I'd hope that you'd consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And if you have already subscribed, thank you. I also want to let you know, I'm going to get these shoes out in the wild. I'm going to put them through a series of tests and live with them for a while. And I'm going to give you my honest opinion after a month, maybe 2 months, etc., etc. And guys, look for more men's footwear coming soon. There are 4 more. I dropped all on the same day. 4 other men's footwear styles that have been the target of my affection on social, and I just had to buy them. Let me know if you've been seeing ads for any of these 5. Check them all out. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. But in the meantime, you know what to do, guys. You're going to keep pushing play. Now, Haley, roll the music.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could